Here's the info on the LG. Here's the light cover. So it was on there like this. So just to do it quick because I already took the light cover off. All you got to do when it's on there, get a screwdriver, a flathead, put it in there, prop it. It's going to pop that. It's going to pop that. This is going to be connect the actual light that's in here. So you want to disconnect. You want to push the button right there. There's a button. You push that top button and pull it off from the light. Push that top button, pull it off from the light. Same with this light. It's right there. You're going to get the screwdriver and you're going to pry it from the side because it's hard to get from that side. So pry it from the side and you'll be good. But let's install the lights. So that's for the freezer. Some companies, I think they'll charge you like $200 or $300 to come do it for you. Why I do that, I got these on eBay. They actually had one of these on Amazon, and I got both of them as a pair together on eBay. Saved. Oh, kids are in there fussing. This one has two, the fridge. So you got a hole right there, and you got to plug it up right there. It's easy though. See if I can remember what side goes to what. Okay, yeah, there's a cutout right there. So this goes here. Make sure you don't bend anything. Snapped in, snapped in. There it is. So I'm going to set the camera down. So what I'm going to do, obviously, this goes in here like this because, you know what? Let's see. I guess it really doesn't. Oh yeah, it does. So you're going to see there's okay, two long grooves. There's a groove right here and groove right there. So you put that in there. So this is stretched over like that because it goes in there and then that goes there. So I'm going to set it down real quick and then show you. Okay, so that's hooked up on there. It's fine. So you know what? Now that I think about it, one of these might have been out versus both of them. So I'm going to keep both the other two because I noticed that the freezer light was working a little bit, but it went out when I took this one off. So I'm going to hook up the freezer light and see if this one will actually come on because this is hooked up now. So once I hook up the freezer light, this one should come on. So just be aware of that. If one goes out and it messes up the other one, it's probably only one that's out, but I've replaced both of them anyway. So here we go. Alright, so you put it in there first, and then when you push this down, it's just going to snap. And just like that. Bam. Alright, let's get back to it. Alright, just like we said. So we hooked up the freezer light, and now this one's working. So one of those lights is dead on the other set, and one of them works. So I'm going to keep both of them just in case. So let's go ahead and get those back in there. These lights work. Got these from eBay. Like I said, I found one on Amazon. Didn't see the other. I'll search for the links, and if I can find it, then I'll put them in there. If I find one, then so be it. But look on eBay if you don't see the links. All right, well, let me get this together. It works perfect. See you on the next one.